want to find out number of factors of any given number, you can do it in these 3 steps. Say I want to find out number of factors of 20. My step number 1 is prime factorization of 20, which is 2 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 1, that is 4 into 5. Step number 2 is we need to add 1 in these individual exponents. And step number 3 is we need to multiply them all, so this becomes 6. So how many factors of 20 are there? 6 factors, right? If I want to find out how many factors of 111 are there, step number 1, prime factorization, which is 3 raised to 1 and 37 raised to 1. Step number 2, I need to add 1 over here, so these two numbers will become 2 into 2, and then finally how many factors of 111 will be a total of 4 factors. I would like you to find out the total number of factors of 888 and let me know the answer in the comments.